"Oh, my wife just called and she said the toilet is broke." I said, "Don't worry, honey. Just go to wetcrow.com. We need a new toilet anyway. Go to wetcrow, www.wetcrow.com, and just go on there and order a toilet. Make the appointment. They'll come out. They'll replace the toilet, and you'll be all set. I'll pick up the new toilet at Home Depot this afternoon. Okay? That's it. You don't have to worry about it. That's it." So folks, here's what you do. You just go to www.wetcrow.com and book your appointment. Select replace the toilet. Grab the toilet. While you're there, they have kiosks in Home Depot. You can even do it over there. But just go on your phone. Go to www.wetcrow.com. Search install a toilet. There's a link there for plumbing. You click on it. You'll see install a toilet. Select it. There'll be a bunch of appointments on there. Select which appointment is convenient for you, and somebody will come out and install your toilet. Probably the next day is best. Thank you very much. Thank you.